I just received my new laptop. As you can see, I'm so excited. This is my ASUS ROG Strix. Guys, you don't know how hard it's been to wait for this machine, but finally I am so excited. I'm going to be doing the unboxing once I get home, and I can't wait to show you guys what's in the box. Okay, so guys, finally I'm home. That has been the longest drive of my life. So shopping for a laptop is not an easy thing because you want to create a balance between what you can afford and a cool machine. So after days and months of saving, now we are here, and I think now in terms of machine, I'm sorted for the next 2 years. So here is the new machine. It's an ASUS ROG Strix G15. And I'm even scared to open it because I've watched so many videos about this machine and I can't just believe that I have it now. So because I have to open this from the moment of truth now. So I had to wait for this laptop for almost a week. So I didn't want to get a sharp knife, a bit paranoid about destroying something. So yeah, I think that's it. So the moment of truth, guys. So here we go, the unveiling. Wow! So guys, this laptop had to be imported in because locally there are not so many vendors who are selling it. So if you want to get a machine, check on the link below. You'll see the shop where I got this. So as you can see, it's really well packed. So chances of damage are quite low. So wow, it's a bit heavy, but it's a powerful machine, so what do you expect? Alright guys, so let's go ahead and see what we have inside this box. So confirmed, one ROG Strix laptop, brand new. That's all. So here we have the ASUS manual, and let's see what we have here. Okay, so here is a very huge power brick, 240 watts. You can see it's quite big. So like I said guys, if you don't like heavy machines, this may not be your cup of tea, but maybe the power outweighs the weight literally. And then here we have the cord that goes into the socket. Okay, let's see what we have here. Nothing really, and yeah guys, I guess that's it. The box is also very heavy, so the laptop and the box are a bit heavy. So I guess I'm going to put this aside now. Now we can go into the main event. Yeah, so here we go again. Have a good look. Okay, so let me unwrap it so that you can see. Alright. So guys, you can see the finishing on this laptop is quite unique. Just see how much fun this laptop has, so that you know it's a heavy machine and requires a good cooling system. So a good cooling system is as important as anything else in your machine. And one thing I like about this is that it has these pads where your laptop stands on, so that your fan area is not really, doesn't get too hot or doesn't get too heated. So most laptops do not prioritize on this. You just place your laptop somewhere and then it ends up overheating on the bottom, but this one they really gave a lot of thought to it. All this padding is meant to provide that space for cooling. So guys, as you can see here also, we have so many ports. We have the HDMI, we have the USB, we have the Type-C, we have the HDMI, and we have the Ethernet cable. And I don't know if this is the power port. Yes. So everything is at the back. So I find this design really good because most of the time you find you have cables on the side. All the time they might keep on interrupting you, or they even sometimes affect how you sit on your laptop because the cables are always crisscrossing. So I think they really gave good thought to this arrangement. So on the right side there really isn't there are no cords, just again ventilators for the cooling system of the laptop. On the left side we have some extra ventilation. We have USB 3.2 ports, and then here we have audio combo, so means it supports both the headphones and also microphones. Yes. So I really like the placement of everything. I like the fact that ventilation is a very important aspect of this machine because it's about to do some heavy stuff. So yeah. So guys, the front part of the laptop, this is the part where you flex with the ROG logo. Yeah, basically that's it. Also it has some really cool detailing over here. And this just says ROG all the way repeatedly. So this is quite cool. Alright guys, so now let's open the laptop finally, and then maybe see how it looks like on the inside. Damn guys, I don't know what to say. I mean, this is very unique and very good. You're not going to see this design on many machines. So the machine I got have a 144 Hz refresh rate. As you can see, we're replacing the thermal paste technology with liquid metal cooling. Guys, this is so cool because this laptop can be charged using a Type-C charger. Two-way AI noise cancellation, so basically when you're in a meeting or something, the background noise will not be an issue. Dolby Atmos, this is among the best speakers that we have. And then guys, check this out. This laptop is overlocked direct from the manufacturer, which means you can access up to 5.3 gigahertz of speed. You can reach up to 5.3 gigahertz of speed. Okay guys, so as you can see here on the screen, just look at that screen to bevel ratio, guys. I mean, this is unbelievable. This is quite unbelievable. At first, when I saw this on YouTube and on the other reviews that have been done, I really didn't imagine it was this thin because it's a really heavy machine. So, and here it was very thick. So I really thought that this was going to be a bit a greater ratio, but guys, this is as good as it gets for this. Alright, so moment of revelation, guys. The keyboard is where we spend most of our time, so are you ready? Damn guys, I think let's look at that, guys. So it's a QWERTY keyboard, guys. I love this detail. I'm pretty sure the lighting on that is going to be amazing, guys. The thing that has caught my eye is the power button, guys. Look at this guy really took a lot of time in the design. As you know, this is not a 17-inch laptop, but the keyboard is quite user friendly and quite practical. The thing that stands out for me are these media buttons instead of the usual numbers that are here. I think these media buttons are going to be very important because sometimes it takes you a minute or two to scramble on the screen to pause something or replay or all that. So this is really practical to have it there. Then we have some extra buttons here. We have the volume, we have the microphone, mute, we have the fan. As you can see, the touchpad is big enough. It's glass. I don't know if you can see that kind of detail. It's almost as good as the MacBook one. So I think that's think we are good on that end. So guys, the moment we've been waiting for, I think I wish it was at night, but I couldn't wait. So let's just switch off the light and switch on this machine and see the RGB come to life. Damn. Guys, I don't think you can see this really well. I don't think the video is going to explain how this feels, but yeah, this is where we are right now. So